Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am coming at you today with this cute little treat holder. So I have a few different ones here. This one I haven't decorated. These are super quick and easy to put together. I used a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. That is your main item that you will need. You will need some sort of paper trimmer. I used a scoreboard and bone folder, but I know a lot of paper trimmers also, you can score on your paper trimmer. And then I used, from Close to My Heart, Stamp and Thin Cut set. This is the Hello Pumpkin card making set, and it comes with these adorable stamps. You can make your own pumpkin. So there's the outline in the top, and then they have the different insides, the different faces. How cute is that little kitty one? And it comes with or thin cut. So it comes with the pumpkin. You can cut out these little stars, and it comes with this cool little shape, which works really well around this saying, when black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. So it fits around that, but I'm like, how cute would that be for a little window? So that is what I used there. If you don't have this set, you could also just use a circle or really any die, just anything to give you a window would work in this. But yeah, like a circle would totally work as well. And what else? You'll need some adhesive. And then I used a little tiny attacher as well. So you don't have to make a lot of cuts. With the Close to My Heart paper, you always have to cut off the zip strip. That's this little decorative piece here. And on the other side, it tells you about the paper. So I am using the Hello Pumpkin bulk paper. That is something consultants can order. This paper is featured in the Hello Pumpkin paper pack. It's just not, these two aren't on the same piece of paper, if that makes sense. These both have a different backside. The one thing I love about Close to My Heart is they give us the bulk paper pack option. So when we are doing projects in classes and stuff, we can order a bulk paper pack instead of having to order a ton of different packs of paper to get the one paper that we want. Does that make sense? So definitely save your zip strips. Those are great for embellishments and projects and stuff. So now we have our 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and the only cut we need to make is at 3.5. Now that might be a little different if you are using a different bag. You guys, I did not show you what bags I'm using. I got these off of Amazon. So these are 3 by 2 by 8 clear side something bakery bags. And I will link these down below for you. But they're just simple little bags. They have the nice little gussets on the side. So super nice little. You could easily make this though with any kind of bag that you have. So you'll have to come up with your own measurements though. Sorry guys. So for this, we are going to score at, our first score is going to be at 1/2 inch. And then at 2.5. So this little 1/2 inch is what we are going to fold around and glue onto. So that will probably be the same no matter what size bag you have. And the 2 inches here is the bottom. And so I came up with that just because it's a 3 by 2 size bag. See how I did that? So if you're using a different size bag, look at your measurements. So the 2 is from that And then we're gonna flip this around. So now my scored sides are over here. We are gonna do another one at 4.75. And I got that measurement because I took 2.5 off of 12, which is the 9.5, and half of that is 4.75. So that is how I came up with my measurements. I don't know if that will help you or not if you have a different size bag, but hopefully if you see my thought process, it will help a little bit. Now we need to cut out our window. So the front, I kept the front of the bag, this part. So this part we're going to fold around and it's going to get glued here, right? So that becomes the back. So the front is really this middle section here. So we are going to thin cut out. I like it down here at the bottom because then, well, you don't have to fill up your treats as much. But then it also gives you lots of space for embellishing. So let me run this through my die cutting machine. Bada bing, bada boom. That is cut out. So you can save this piece for another project. And I kind of like that side, but I think for this, it'll be better if I keep it on this side for you guys, huh? So you guys can see. And now you are going to fold over all of your score lines. I just said I was going to keep this side. Okay. So fold over all of your score lines. Crease them down really good. Right, and now can you see our little pouch taking shape? So here we are. That's our back. This is the bottom. So this is going to get glued onto right here. So we are going to put tape all along here. And I like to just line it up just like that. How cute is this? And now I already have a little treat bag filled up. This is pretzels, but they're not actually pretzels, you guys. They are witch's broomsticks. I don't know if you knew that or not. And then there's also some pumpkins in there. So I just like to fold over the top and use your little stapler and staple it. You could also just use a regular stapler, you guys, but I have the cute tiny one here. So you just fold it over and then you're gonna just slide it on in there. How easy is that? And then I like to add another little staple up here. And I mean, you could just finish it like this, right? That's stinking cute. But I'm gonna embellish. My alarm went off, you guys. Whoops. That's my don't forget to pick up your son from school alarm. Do you guys have those? I've never forgotten him, but I also never want to, so so yeah, I have an alarm for that. I still have a lot of time, by the way. That's my get ready alarm, not my leave right now alarm. Anyways, so you're just gonna slip the bag in there, and that's it. And then whatever kind of embellishments you want. Now, for some of these, I did use some items that I haven't showed you guys yet. For these, I used our basic thin cuts and our stitched circle thin cuts. And I love these because the two sets are different sizes, so they all nest together. So the biggest basic circle is a little bit bigger than the biggest stitched circle. So that will frame this one nicely and they all just nest together. Does that make sense? So I used the biggest stitched circle and then the second biggest basic circle for this. And then the star was from the Hello Pumpkin set. And then the No Tricks, Just Treats is from our September stamp of the month. So this is going away September 30th. So if you like this stamp set, you got to jump on it now. And I'm really sad it's going away. This is an amazing stamp set. It's something I'm definitely going to be using the rest of the year because it's just that awesome. So I did the No Tricks, Just Treats. I think it'd be really cute to stamp a bunch of these also and cut them out. But look at how well this is going to go for the rest of the year. So tidings of comfort and joy, thankful for sweet friends like you, warm winter wishes, and then all these little shapes, the little bats, candy cane, the candies are cute. That fits perfectly in there. This mug, and it has whipped cream. Anyways, I know you guys have seen this stamp. I've already showed you guys this stamp set, but I'm obsessed with it. I can't get enough of it. You guys should definitely order it because it's going away. Did I mention it's going away? Just Treat September stamp of the month. So it's $5 if you spend $50 or more before tax and shipping. That close to my heart. Otherwise it's, I think, $18.95. Yeah, so that is that. So I love these little treat bags. I think I am going to get some Chex Mix to put in this, and I'm going to make these for my son's class. So I'm going to keep my embellishment super simple. I'm thinking something like this, just easy peasy, but you can bling these up as much as you want. Oh, I really like that one too. I'll probably go, you know, this route for my son's class because I have to make like 25 or 30 of them. But you can go off on embellishments with these. You guys can have a lot of fun. So thank you guys so much. If you make these, I would love to hear what kind of treats you use. Leave me a comment down below, or if you think of a good treat idea that would be good for a classroom. If you could let me know, that would be awesome, because I don't want to give the kids whole big bags of candy. So I'm thinking like something like this. Pretzels with just a couple pieces of candy, maybe pretzels with some M&Ms, Chex Mix, you know, something like that. So yeah, and I will probably make this project again later on this year for Christmas because it's just so cute. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.